Let me just press the zoom button, hang on. Ugh, too far, Andrew. Nah. I thought it was going to be a decent sunrise. It's not, is it? Well, it's 7:30. Come on. Walking the dog. Then I'm off Halifax to pick Eli up, and then he can tell you what I'm crying. He can tell you what we're doing today. If it'll stop recording.
Hey up, matey.
Hi.
Hi. Good morning, everybody. We are just on our way from Halifax to Colton in York. It's like a viewing point, and we've been before. Is there a video on the channel of Colton? No. So I will definitely show you that. I've brought the drone. I've brought my cameras. So it's going to be a great day. We've got a few tours and hopefully a bit of freight as well. So it is a Saturday, but apparently there's a couple of bits and bats running. There might be a Network Rail 153, which would be really cool because I've still not seen one moving. I've seen one static, but I've not seen one moving. So we're about 47 minutes away. We are. We're going to arrive at 9:53. So yeah, we'll catch up with you when we get there.
I hope you liked your train geek out from Eli then. So we've arrived at Colton. It's quite impressive, isn't it?
Looks mint.
We're going to get the drone up so you can see just how bad it is. I can feel like the moisture in the air as well.
Yeah, I can also.
So that's how good it is. We're not going to see nothing at all. So the drone's gone.
It's not horrendous, but it
Looks a
not
bit
great.
better on there than what it does through my camera. We'll put the footage in so you can sort of see. I can just see drone there whizzing around. I don't know what to do. What do you reckon we should do, Mr. Elijah? We should try and find somewhere else.
I don't know.
Freezing and all. I wish I'd put the coat on.
I mean, doesn't look bad. Right, we're in.
And is he doing it? You think you'd be good at it by now, wouldn't you?
I am. Can you do us a favour and just eat that corner piece?
Eat that corn. Why is it like a backwards J? That's huge. I don't want to eat that piece.
Oh, please.
Why?
Because then it'll be shaped like a penis.
Hope your mother's proud of you. You know she watches these videos. Anyway, do you want me to unplug the car or are you going to do it? Because I can see you're busy eating.
I'll go do it.
Yeah, I know you will. I was faffing, man. I was faffing. Where's your sock?
Sorry, just let me check if I've got a sock on the back.
Can you just explain this sock thing?
So, we'll do it in the car.
You just leave me to do it.
So,
A bit close, let me just go in 0.5. There we go.
So, I walked up from being asleep, and then to not disturb my parents because I was getting up early, I put a pair of socks on the side so that I didn't have to open my drawer. Starts getting dressed. I'm like, where's my other sock gone? So I had to go into the drawer and open it dead quiet so I didn't wake my parents up and get another sock. And then I didn't think anything of it. I just thought it was somewhere like maybe under my covers or just in my bedroom somewhere. Gets to Halifax, puts my bag in. He starts laughing. I'm like, oh, what's he laughing at this time? He said, go on, just get back outside again, films me. And I've got a sock, literally like a tail, in my cargo pants. if you want proof of the sock, I think it's back here somewhere. Yeah, there you go.
I have a video. I can insert the Why have you got poo on your
I don't know
sock?
why all my white socks are dirty. You can't get them out. It's so annoying. It's not poo, it's dirt from playing football.
Thank you.
Of course.
I've actually got a video. I made a little video on Snap to send him because I thought he'd done it on purpose. I genuinely thought he'd done it on purpose because who walks around with a sock hanging out of the trousers? So I was laughing and he got in the car and he was like, what are you laughing at? I'm like...
And the thing is as well, my dad dropped me off. So I was supposed to walk to Church House Twistle train station. My dad said, no, it's all right, I'll drop you off at Accrington. And he saw me all morning and he didn't even say anything about it. And I was with my dogs all morning as well, so surely they would have like jumped up and took the sock out of my ass.
I don't think Flynn would have done that to me.
No.
Unless you've got super well trained dogs that hate socks.
No, well, they eat socks.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and they're always jumping up. So I've got Cocker Spaniels.
So I think what we've worked out here is your family hate you.
What we've worked out here is that I'm an absolute dick.
Well, we knew that already. Anyway, we're going to go see some trains.
That one.
Okay, so something happened a little bit earlier on. And he was faffing around like he always does. And he's like, oh, Andy, can you just check the location of a train? So I goes to get my phone out, but I've got my gloves on. I went to drop it, so I tried to catch him. Instead of catching it, I battered it to the floor. And in like my whole ever having a phone, it's the first time I've proper smashed a phone screen. So we went to find a phone shop to get it fixed, and I've dropped it off with the mister. The mister's rung us and is like, yeah, there's a bit of a problem. I think you might have broken the motherboard because the screen keeps like freezing whenever. Did he say he'd replaced it?
Yeah, he said he replaced it, but the screen keeps freezing, and so he's going to try and use a different screen and see if it's the screen that's playing up that he's got, whether it's the motherboard, essentially.
So hopefully screen freezing means that it's sort of usable, and then tomorrow I'll just have to go and buy a new phone. So we're at Colton again. Matey boy is faffing with drone. Last eating Jaffa cakes.
Always.
Of course.
No, sorry, hang on. He's telling me that I'm eating Jaffa cakes. I've had one Jaffa cake, he's eating a whole sleeve of them.
Who would you believe? Every time we see you, you're always eating. Look, here we go now.
Where have you put them?
Where have I put what?
The Jaffa.
They're in your belly.
No, they're not. Oh, there's a full sleeve of them there.
Well, that's mine then. They're the ones you've eaten.
What are we doing about the gifts?
Oh, we'll do it when we're eating Marston's. Because we're going somewhere else this evening as well, aren't we?
Mm-hmm.
So it's quite a big day, and we'll need to charge a car again.
Yeah.
So we've got this. So you go and get the drone up, and then we'll go get my phone, and then we'll do gifts, I reckon. What are you saying?
Yeah.
So I've got the phone back. It cost me 120. It's the camera.
Is it? Is it here?
Another charge, matey.
Another charge.
Right, let's go. We've got a Marston's. Right, so we've bought each other a £5 Christmas gift. Is it charging?
Can you just hear it go?
Let me have a look, hang on. Don't really have loads of time doing the car chargers knackered. Right, so we said we will get each other a gift that costs £5 and it has to sort of represent us.
Mm-hmm.
So you open yours first since I'm holding the camera.
Okay.
Right.
Can we just appreciate the bluey wrapping as well?
It's all right, your brother's wrapping paper's Paw Patrol. I didn't know if we were opening it here or not. Right, you ready? So when I first met him, on his bank card,
It's now on a CEX card that I never ever use.
he had reboot cards from Fortnite. So I got him them again. Not a fiver that. It cost me a fiver, did that.
You. And this cost me just over a fiver.
So, can I just say, he didn't want to wrap this last night. He was like, oh, I haven't wrapped your gift, by the way. And he's done an absolutely terrible job of it as well.
Listen, just shut up, because I spent more money on the present than you did.
It cost more than a £5.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually.
£6 1 penny, actually, to be
wow.
precise.
Jesus Christ, he wrapped it like a knob. I can't go into it. It's a kazoo. I was going to get you an accordion and all.
And a harmonica.
Oh, harmonica, that's it. Sorry, yeah. I was going to get you one of them.
And, of course, they're in
Could you
pink.
imagine? Of course. Just like everything else of ours. Well, thank you.
All right.
Con.
We will eat Marston's and then probably...
Yeah, we've got Marston's and then we'll probably talk to you again.
Bye.
So, have you ever seen, I'm really close here and I can't do nothing about it, sorry. Have you ever seen Marston's before? I don't know if we've shown each other. Because we have it all the time, don't we, when we're over here. It's basically just a chicken shop. Look it up on like Insta or TikTok or something. Now, because it's Christmas, they're doing a festive wrap. So we had it the other home game, didn't we?
So good.
But there was too much cranberry sauce for my liking. So this time I've gone for it without cranberry. Oh, honestly.
So good.
Where are we, matey?
We're at the hockey. Just arrived. Playing Leeds Knights 2 tonight. So should be a good game. I'm predicting like a 3 or 4. Maybe a 5 actually. 5-2 I'm gonna go.
5-2. I know nothing about the team, so I can't really make a prediction, but I do know they have been winning pretty much all the games.
Yeah.
So, do you know what? I'm going to go with a 6-2. Yeah, 6-2. I'm going to go with 6-2, and I feel like I've copied you a little bit there. Right, Noah, what's your score prediction?
I'm feeling an 8-1 Hawks.
8-1 Hawks. Brave. Yeah. Oh, they're going to hammer them then. That's Eli's brother, by the way.
Yeah, so we keep winning every game, and so we're saving up to go to the league above.
And also, because it's my first time here, I've got like a cabinet at home. And every time I sort of go somewhere and do something, I buy something for it. So, because it's my first game, we're going to buy a puck, aren't we?
Yeah. So the first person who scores, you're going to get a puck with their jersey number on it.
I was just going to say hello to our Mark, but he's gone. He's off in front. What's hello, our Mark?
What the puck?
Think again.
Good game, there were a lot of chances that we need to have been scoring, especially so close to the box, but 7-3 will take it.
I think it was a very slow start though, wasn't it?
Slow start.
Yeah, like the
Scored
first
4.
10 minutes.
No, we scored 4 in the first third.
No, the first 10 minutes, I mean.
Yeah,
There was
we
like no
scored
there.
4.
Yeah,
So, in the first one we scored 4, so no complaining.
Lucas's birds waving behind us.
Hey, mate.
Right, that's it for the video. It's been an alright day, hasn't it?
It's been alright, yeah.
Yeah, it's not been bad. Well, thank you for watching. We might be meeting again on Monday for me to drive a train.
Possibly.
The first time I've driven a train for you. Shall we?
Yeah, I'll vlog it. I'll rate the driving.
If you want to see me driving a train, you have to go over to his channel. Right, I'll see you later. Thank you.
Adios. Goodbye.